Nagaland is a pleasantly charming land with breathtakingly enchanting virgin terrain. The warmth and hospitality of the people is incomparable. It is home to 17 major tribes who are known for their own distinct and fascinating cultures. The majority of the population is non-vegetarian in their food habits and they consume almost every kind of meat. Though the people are fond of meat, the production is far less than the requirement. Almost 1/3 of the requirement is met by importing it from the other states. Looking into the situation, an on-farm trial was conducted on rabbitry with the idea that the rabbit, being a prolific breeder and fast-growing livestock, may answer the increasing demand of the meat. The results obtained were quite encouraging, and the Scientific Advisory Committee has advised to go for large area adoption.
When we thought of this rabbit farming, primarily we are guided by the fact that the inhabitants of Nagaland are predominantly non-vegetarian, and the demand of animal products is very high. What is happening now is that Nagaland is importing animal products from outside. So there is a lot of scope for promoting animal husbandry programs. Rabbit is a new activity. We thought that we can give fillip to this sector, particularly the rabbit rearing. What we planned, that since rabbit is a new activity here, we planned for training the farmers, particularly the SHG women members, so that they can contribute to the family income. We collaborated with KVK Purva to start with, and we have sanctioned 2 programs in 2008-9 involving 60 women. Then subsequently we sanctioned another project to KVK Purva involving 90 SHG members.
The General Manager NABARD, Regional Office Dimapur, a member of the Scientific Advisory Committee, had suggested that the NABARD may consider the program for further promotion in Nagaland. KVK FEC has proposed to NABARD to carry out 2 training programs followed by demonstrations involving 60 farm women of different self-help groups. The program was carried out in Porba and Gidemi village of the Fuserud subdivision involving 30 farm women from each of the village.
KVK FEC hamdo dishe aro hikado hole tam de inigai dana dibo lage aro samte iman dibo lage puzote iman dibo lage iniga hoene balura hobo lage inigai ko dishe tudo hole ebade ata sata nota inigai padie
number khan to ahigena khan ke saishe aro ta kan modok kurigena financial pele modok kurigena KVK khan ke kujise aro KVK khan to ahigena pali bole hika dishe aro rabbit bi ani dishe eto pali kena ami khan bisi khushi pa ase aro rabbit pali bole bisi digdar nai to bisi kharcha bi nai pata khan kitchen waste khan hi khai gena dangor ho jay aro salte 5 bar nishina bacha de bacha be 4 ta ek bar te 4 ta 5 ta de aro to bisi paase salde to palikina ami khan bisi khushi paase.
After successful completion of the training, a pair of rabbit has been given to each of the trainee with a condition that they will share a pair of the rabbit with other members of the self-help group after first kitting. Later, the other members will share with the rest of the villagers in similar way so that the entire village may have at least a pair of rabbit. Similar programs were carried out in Thevopisu, Kikruma and Fuseromi villages with the financial assistance from the NABARD by KVK FEC. NABARD has also provided financial assistance for printing of a booklet, Backyard Rabbit Farming, which covers almost all the aspects of rabbit farming like breeds, housing, breeding, care of newborn, weaning, feeding, health management and products. This booklet was also given to the trainees along with the other extension literature. The booklet was found to be very useful.
Rabbit is an animal which can cater the need of meat requirement. In Nagaland, as you know, that maximum people, more than 90% people are non-vegetarian, and their need of the meat are not being able to met by the available animal resources of the locality. Even they go for hunting, even for wild animal, to cater the need. So they are spending a lot of money and sending a lot of money revenue to outside to get the meat requirement. So if you can promote an animal which is very easy to keep in their livestock production system, and then which can have a very good source of meat and can give them alternative to other animal for their requirement of the meat.
The first program was carried out in February 2009 at Porba and Gidemi villages. Its impact study was carried out in May 2010. The study revealed that the program was very successful. In the beginning of the program, only 5 families in Porba and 1 family in Gidemi was raising rabbits, but in May 2010, it increased to 106 in Porba and 58 in Gidemi. Consumption of the meat has also increased significantly.
Rabbit will be the answer for the meat deficiency in the state. Rabbit we are promoting in Phek district, and now this trend is being taken over by all other districts of the Nagaland, as initially we got very good success. This rabbit is a prolific breeder. At a time it gives 6 to 8 kids, and in a year it can give birth to 6 times. The animal provides quality meat with a low input, and if a farmer is raising just 4 female and 1 male, so just this unit is enough to provide sufficient meat for the family round the year. The fur can be used for making various items like the jacket, like scarf, like purses, and these item has a high value.
The rabbit villages was visited by the General Manager and the Deputy General Manager NABARD, and they appreciated the efforts made by the villagers and the KVK FEC. The farmers of the other villages are now approaching KVK FEC to carry out similar programs also in their villages. This shows that a collaborative effort of the KVK FEC and NABARD have made inroads of development in the remote part of the country.